Hi, I'm Ate Pat. I was born in Manila. Pinanganak ako sa Maynila, but I grew up here in the States. Pero dito na ako lumaki sa States. Come learn Tagalog with me. Oh hi, I didn't see you there. It's cold and rainy today where I live. And my favorite thing to do when the weather is like this is wrap myself up in a cozy blanket and get lost in a good book, like these. Do you want to learn some Tagalog vocabulary words about weather? Let's learn some together. The Tagalog vocabulary words can be found in the description of this video. Follow along. Panahon, weather, panahon. There are many types of weather instruments used for research. This is a picture of the Pag-asa weather radar station in Bato, Catanduanes, the town where my family is from. This radar station provides information about incoming storms so that town residents can make necessary preparations. Ulan, rain, ulan. Rainfall amounts in the Philippines vary from region to region. The rainiest places in the Philippines are Baguio City, eastern Samar, and eastern Surigao, while the city of Cotabato in Mindanao is known to get the least amount of rain. Bagyo Storm, Bagyo. The Philippine Islands are affected by typhoons. These storms happen all throughout the year. In 2013, Time magazine declared the Philippines as the most exposed country in the world to tropical storms. Payong Umbrella, Payong. The umbrella is useful for keeping people dry, especially during the rainy season in the Philippines. Many Filipinos also use umbrellas to protect them from the hot rays of the sun. The umbrella is a common accessory when leaving the house because it can be sunny in the morning with rain showers in the afternoon. Maulap Cloudy, Maulap. There are many types of clouds, some thin and some light, others thick and full of precipitation. The next time you're in the Philippines, be sure to check out places with a sea of clouds, like Treasure Mountain in Rizal or Ayuste National Park in Davao de Oro. Kulog Thunder, Kulog. If you can hear thunder, then lightning is nearby. When lightning strikes, a channel is created in the air. When the channel opens and closes, it creates a sonic shockwave known as a thunderclap. Kidlat Lightning, Kidlat. Did you know that lightning can also be seen during a volcanic eruption? Volcanic lightning comes from the static electricity of colliding ash particles. Baha Flood, Baha. Heavy rainfall from strong storms can cause flooding in low-lying communities. Floods in the Philippines can cause serious damage and displace many people from their homes. A Manila flood plan includes building a dam, improving urban drainage, and enhancing flood forecasting to provide early warning signals to residents. Mahangin Windy, Mahangin. There are two main wind seasons in the Philippines. Amihan is the northeast wind that provides a cool and dry climate from October to March, while Habagat is the southwest wind that provides a wet and humid climate from June to October. Let's review the Tagalog vocabulary words we've learned so far. Panahon, weather, panahon. Ulan, rain, ulan. Bagyo, storm, bagyo. Payong, umbrella, payong. Maulap, cloudy, maulap. Kidlat, lightning, kidlat. Kulog, thunder, kulog. Baha, flood, baha. Mahangin, windy, mahangin. Bahaghari Rainbow, Bahaghari. Have you ever seen a double rainbow? This happens when sunlight is reflected twice inside water droplets in the atmosphere, resulting in a double reflection of colors. So, a second arc of colors can be seen in the sky, also known as a double rainbow. Maaraw Sunny, Maaraw. The average amount of daily sunlight in the Philippines is 13 hours. The sun rises at around 5:30 in the morning and starts to set at around 6 o'clock at night. Because of its high number of peak sun hours, the Philippines is becoming a hub for solar energy development. Temperatura, temperature, temperatura. Temperatures throughout the Philippines can vary depending on storm patterns and land elevation. Low air pressure systems can cause strong winds, cool temperatures, and precipitation. On the other hand, high air pressure systems bring warm temperatures and dry weather. Mainit Hot, mainit. The warmest month in the Philippines is May, when the mean temperature is 28 degrees Celsius or 83 degrees Fahrenheit. The combination of warm temperatures and high humidity levels in the Philippines can make it feel even hotter in the summer months. Malamig Cold, malamig. The coolest month in the Philippines is January, when the mean temperature is 26 degrees Celsius or 78 degrees Fahrenheit. Baguio City is a mountain town in the Philippines and has an average temperature of 18 degrees Celsius or 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Because of its cooler temperature, Baguio is known as the summer capital of the Philippines. Yelo Ice, yelo. The Philippines may not get a lot of ice precipitation throughout the year, but a popular and refreshing snack on a hot day is ice candy. It's made with fresh fruits and fruit juices that's poured into narrow cellophane bags, then frozen to an ice pop. Niyebe Snow, niyebe. Snow is made up of ice crystals formed from frozen liquid water. The snowiest place on Earth is Aomori, Japan, where it can snow over 300 inches every year. Because of its tropical weather, it's unlikely that it'll snow in the Philippines. Let's review the Tagalog words we've learned. Bahaghari Rainbow, Bahaghari. Maaraw Sunny, Maaraw. Temperatura Temperature, Temperatura. Mainit Hot, Mainit. Malamig Cold, Malamig. Yelo Ice, Yelo. Niyebe Snow, Niyebe. We did it! We learned the Tagalog vocabulary words for weather. But wait, do you want to know what the weather is like in Manila? Let me make a quick phone call.
Hello?
Hi Eric, kamusta ka?
Hi, ate.
It's my cousin Eric in Manila.
I'm good. What's up?
I just have a quick question.
Uh-huh.
What's the weather like in Manila?
Well, if you're asking about today's weather, we have a blue and clear sky, which means we have a good weather. And we have a low % chance of rain. Look. It's sunny. But if you're asking about weather seasons here in Manila, we only have 2 seasons. First is the wet or rainy season from June to November. This is when the flooding happens on some parts of Metro Manila. The second is the dry season from December to May. January is the coolest month, averaging 23 degrees Celsius, while March to May is the hottest, ranging 25 degrees to 32 degrees Celsius.
Oh, well thanks for the information, Eric.
Okay. No problem.
I miss you a lot. Talk to you soon.
I miss you too, ate. God bless.
Well, I gotta go. I have some books to finish. Be sure to check out our new TikTok account for video recaps and follow us on Instagram for behind the scenes footage and more. Paalam! And one more thing. Be sure to check out these awesome books by Mia P. Manansala. Arsenic and Adobo and Homicide and Halo Halo are books 1 and 2 in this series. And I love these books because they truly highlight the Filipino culture. If you want to know more about these books, check out Mia P. Manansala on Instagram. Paalam!